क्लास 8 ज्योग्राफी चैप्टर नंबर 4 एग्रीकल्चर। बच्चों, आज जो है हम इस लेसन के एग्रीकल्चर से जो उनके बुक्स के एक्सरसाइज है वो करेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट स्टूडेंट्स। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज एग्रीकल्चर? आंसर, agriculture is a primary activity that includes growing crops, vegetables, fruits, flowers, and rearing livestock. Agriculture is a primary activity as it is connected with the extraction and production of natural resources. Students, question number 2, name the factors influencing agriculture. Answer, the factors that influence agriculture include soil, climate, topography, population, etc. Question number 3, what is shifting cultivation? Shifting cultivation is also known as slash and burn cultivation. It is a type of farming activity which involves clearing of a land plot by cutting down trees and burning them. The ashes are mixed with the soil and crops are grown. After the land has lost its fertility, it is abandoned. The farmers then move to a new place. Disadvantages of shifting cultivations are leads to deforestation, loss of fertility of a particular land, leads to soil erosion, burning of trees causes air pollution, insufficient cultivation of crops for a large population. Students, question number 4, what is plantation agriculture? Answer, plantations are a type of commercial farming where single crops of tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana, or cotton are grown. Large amounts of capital and capitals are required. The produce may be processed on the farm itself or in nearby factories. The development of a transport network is thus essential for such farming. Major plantations are found in the tropical regions of the world: rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka are some examples. Now move to question number 5. Name the fiber crops and name the climatic conditions required for their growth. Answer, jute and cotton are fiber crops. The climatic conditions necessary for the growth of jute are high temperature, heavy rainfall and high humidity. Similarly, for the growth of cotton, high temperature, light rainfall, bright sunshine are required. Now question number 2 is tick the correct answer. First, horticulture means, and the answer is option number A, growing of fruits and vegetables. Second, golden fiber refers to its jute. Yes students, answer is C part, jute. Next question, leading producers of coffee. Students, answer is A, Brazil. Brazil is leading producers of coffee. Next, give reasons. In India, agriculture is a primary activity. Explain it. So answer is agriculture is a primary activity as many regions in India have fertile land that is favorable for agriculture. Two-thirds of the Indian population still depend on agriculture. This is mainly because of the lack of literacy among the people. Hence, India being a densely populated country requires large-scale production of food to fulfill the people needs. Next question is, different crops are grown in different regions. Explain it. Students, different crops are grown in different regions as growing the crops depends on factors such as favorable topography of soil, demand of produce, type of climate, amount of rainfall, technology and labor. Next question number 4 is discussion between the following. First is primary activities and tertiary activities. Students, primary activities are related to production and extraction of natural resources such as fishing, agriculture, mining, whereas tertiary activities are those that provide support to primary and secondary sectors in carrying out their activities like transportation, banking, etc. Next is subsistence farming and intensive farming. Students, subsistence farming is a type of farming that the farmer practices to meet the needs of the family. The cultivation of crops is done for personal consumption. It involves low levels of technology and household labor to produce a small output. In intensive subsistence agriculture, the farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Rice, wheat, maize, pulses, and oil seeds are the crops grown in this type of farming. Intensive subsistence agriculture is prevalent in the thickly populated areas of a monsoon region. So, स्टूडेंट्स, ये था आपके एक्सरसाइज फ्रॉम बुक. आई होप कि आपको जो ये चैप्टर है एग्रीकल्चर समझ आया होगा.